Hey up guys, it's Joe at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this beautiful Suzuki GSX1300R Hayabusa. AL7 is this one, so it's a 2017 on a 17 plate. Just over a year old. Lovely condition bike, it's absolutely gorgeous. This one's only done 2,959 miles. Standard, these come with the Brembos you've just seen. It's got ABS, lovely dash, it's also got power modes as well, so A, B and C modes. Lovely bike, really powerful. This one's been fitted with the Yoshimura exhaust. It's got a tail tidy, some R&G protection. Does come with a seat cowl as well. So if you want to go for a blast on your own, you can get that sorted. Got a nice carbon hugger on it as well. Really lovely bike. Give it a quick fire up for you. Gorgeous bike is this, really clean. So, what are you waiting for? Get yourself down to Jordanbikes and get it bought. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Nick, thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.